Look, look. Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So yeah, I have a yarn haul. I got this lovely yarn from Sarah's little corner of the crochet world. Karen Prudence Let's Stitch and Make Up and myself had gone to Sarah's place in the city of Winnipeg here. And Crystal from Steel Sky was there via computer. And we got some yarn. The last time I got yarn from Sarah, I got 7 bags. Time before that was 5 bags. This time it was only 1 bag. It's a big bag, but it's only 1 bag. All right. So I'm going to use some of these for those cat blankets I was making, and there might be some that I want to use for something else. I don't know, some clothing item or something. So let's go through the yarn. Let's see what we have. Now, I just noticed, this one has something on it. Can you see that? I don't know what that is. This one might go in the garbage. Oh no. And Sarah, I know you would not have given this to me if you had known there's something on there. Okay, let me tell you how many balls we have. There are 15. And all she charged me was $10. Thank you so much, Sarah. Okay, she gets her yarn from Facebook Marketplace, from thrift stores, Dollar Tree, Dollarama. We're here in Canada, so Dollarama. She gets really good deals. All right, so there's this cake, and she caked these up. So, oops, I'm putting them in the bag here. I almost dropped that one. So yeah, there's 4 weights. Might be some 3 weights in here. Here's another one. I think this one was already caked up. Looks like it came that way. This looks royal blue in my screen here, but it's more of a tealy blue. Okay, look at this big cake. The sunshine cake. Yeah, I think Karen was saying it looks like sunshine going into the water. Yeah. Yeah. So then these right here, these are from Dollarama here in Canada. Knit It says. Jumbo. Multi-tone yarn. I got some of these from her before. 100% acrylic. $4.50 for a cake. Does it say how much is in here? Machine wash in warm water. See, Dollarama, Montreal, Quebec. We're actually in Manitoba. Oh, made in China. Okay. No, don't know how much is in here. And actually, to me, it looks like maybe a 3. Maybe a 3 weight or really thin 4. Maybe it's 3. But anyway, they're really nice. And I got some from her before, which I have not used yet. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that would probably make a nice sweater or something, maybe. A top, some kind of top. Yeah, so there's different colors of green. There's like a navy blue and then kind of a teal green and then a, I don't know, is that grass green? I don't know. And that looks like a bluish, very light blue in the center. So those are really nice for those. And then we have this everyday yarn. Oh, gee whiz, I missed the bag. Gee, oh well. So we have this Everyday by Premier. Anti-pilling. This colorway is Beach. And these are a 4 weight, very soft. How much is here? 180 yards, 165 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, and 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Blue and light brown. I think that's like off-white, but very, very soft. Very soft. So there's 2 of the beach color. Very nice. Look at these colors. These are both the same. Oh, this is from Dollarama too. Is that a good price? I don't know, $4.25? I don't know, Dollarama used to, well, of course, prices are going up. Okay, so everyday anti-pilling, I should say, and same stats, everything's the same. The color of this is Northern Lights. Yeah, Northern Lights. Pretty nice, right? What should I make with these? Oh my goodness, I don't know. You know what I haven't crocheted since the last time I told you in that last video? I had gone, I think it was 5 days then, and was that a week ago? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Haven't even crocheted one stitch. I took the crochet blanket, cat blanket I was working on, I took it to Sarah's. And sometimes we sit there and crochet as we're, playing with yarn and whatever. I did not crochet at all. I know. What's happening to me? Anyway. All right, so that is my yarn haul. 15 balls of yarn for $10. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you all as soon as I can. Bye.